guys, I'm so tired already. Yo, listen. Yo, I'm gonna punch, guys. We're still going. Hey my sweets, it's your girl Vicky right here, and I am back with another bagging video. So sorry guys, I just woke up and took a bath, so my voice is a bit raspy, but I'm doing my intro right here guys. I forgot to do an intro when I started this vlog, but it's okay. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. For those who are new here and passing by, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like what you see, and I hope you become a sweetie and subscribe. So yeah, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you so much guys for 500 subscribers. Like, I'm so happy. I told myself that my next video is going to be up when I get 500 subscribers, and here we are. I didn't vlog the rest of Vlogmas guys because I got sick, and also I mainly wanted to just spend time with family and just put my camera away and just like live in the moment, you know. So today is Saturday and I am going to Knysna with my family just for the day. We're not sleeping over or anything, so we're just going for the day to just enjoy the town and do whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we are going there. So right now I just finished taking a bath guys, and I'm gonna do my makeup quickly. So yeah, let's start this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends. I am done with my makeup, done with the outfit. I'm gonna show you the outfit of the day just now. So the time is literally like, what, it's 7:15, and we're supposed to leave at like 7 a.m. The deal was to leave at 7, so just about 15 minutes late, but I'm not in a rush anyway. But yeah guys, I look so cute, man. Hair is laid. I did lay my hair yesterday. Sorry for the background noise guys, because my family is playing music there. So I'm wearing this crop top. Is it a crop top? Yeah, from Shein, and some jeans I thrifted, and some Air Force Ones I'm gonna show you just now. Guys, don't I look cute? And I laid my hair so nice. Let me show you my outfit. Guys, please never mind the background of my room because it's very dirty right now. But yeah, I don't know if I should wear a belt or not. Part of me wants to take the belt off, but part of me wants to keep it on. Not even Alia, guys. And yeah, that's outfit, guys. Some jeans I thrifted. And then I'm gonna carry that brown purse of mine. But yeah, I look cute, man. Hey. It looks nice like this, but I think so. I'm not sure. So yeah, guys, like I'm ready to leave now. Like I'm literally ready to leave. It's my first time going to Niceland. No, I'm lying. Well, it's my first time going to Niceland during the day, because the last time I went it was at night and I like didn't explore the town. So now I'm just gonna explore the town. We really don't have anything planned, but we'll see when we get there. And it keeps on getting heavy in my lashes. I hope you do subscribe, guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you stay if you're a new subscriber. If you're passing by, I hope you stay. Yeah, guys, ready, and I look so cute. I can't wait to take pictures, do this vlog thing. Guys, we're about to leave now. This is the person I was talking about. Woo, guys. Oh, I'm so stupid. Should do this side, and I'm gonna wait like this. Stop being dramatic. What? Tony, yo, it's so hot, guys. Like, it's extremely hot. It's 32 degrees. Okay, we are at CPI's. We are at it's a Gama restaurant having breakfast. What time is it? And we're gonna have breakfast. Guys, I wanna take pictures with my billboards here. But yeah, sure, guys. And Sachi. Mitch, are you still alive? Hello. Also shobene chewing ngapha ngo-ayini mayiswini. Guys, akusekuhle apha andisemhlebe mna. It's so aesthetic. Yo, sala ngiyabaswa apha. Guys, I hate wearing a mask because it ruins my makeup, but I did bring a beauty blender. Hello. Yo, it's hot here, son. Morning. There's their shine now. Because it is extremely hot. Okay, so Sikama Gardens, the name of the restaurant. What am I having, guys? Medium. Brown bread. Guys, I am so full. I even took off my belt, guys, because wow, it was just too tight on me. Sweetie, yo, this heat it's too much heat. It's just too much, you guys. So now, as I said, we're at Tsikama, guys, and we are leaving, heading towards guys, we're just road tripping, to be honest. Like, we're just road tripping. We don't have a destination. Well, our destination is Neisner, but anyway, I can't wait to see my billboards. Listen, guys, from 2018, like 2018, it's like long overdue. I've only seen them on pictures. I've never seen them like physically. Like, it's so pretty. It's really, really cute here, guys. Guys, makeup here is gonna come off because wow. Oh, they have a garden. And a garden, which is really cute. It's really, really cute out here. Asoze. Hi, kunale tichibilili phaya. Hi, adici. Kade balukuya ngapha adisoze. Andiyazi ba yintoni. Hu? Guys, it's in Kobe. Like the way I want to swim, and thank God I brought my money. Guys, picnic up, man. Oh, guys, I would live a farm life. I wouldn't say no to living a farm life, guys. Like, like it's a breath of fresh air, guys, outdoors, without even a pinch of hesitation. Like being away from like town is like very busy, and like you can breathe. The nature is beautiful. It's really cute, and guys, I'm sweating like crazy. I'm literally just scared there might be like snakes and everything else. Now come to a fear. None fear English. Fig. Yeah, this is a fig tree, guys. Look at these figs. I don't want to touch anything, guys, just in case the snake comes out. My son needs an aircon go. I cannot. You guys, it's extremely hot and I'm not. It's not. Asoba ndiphinde andifuna uyibona. Ibungee jumping le. I don't want to do it again, guys. It's nice, but it's scary. It's really scary and it's not my cup of tea. Sweeties, I want to show you a mini billboard of mine back in 2018. This is me, guys. I look so ugly now. But here, I was bungee jumping. I look so cute. World's highest bungee jump, guys. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that I did that? I did that. Otherwise, guys, I'm famous.
We are famous.
We are famous. Eh? Look, they paid me already. Look at the beach, guys. Look at the beach. I don't think I'll open it after 5 years. Look at the beach, guys. You know what, sweets? I cannot stand this heat. You copyright. But yeah, guys, the heat is too much, man. Seeing so many of my billboards and face, but the big one that I wanted is like by the canoeing. I think it's Gamma Falls or something like that. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's there. And we already passed that side, so yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm thinking of taking off my shoes, but I want to take pictures first before I take off my shoes, so I look nice. To subscribe to my auntie's channel.
Subscribe to my auntie's channel.
Thank you. And must the celebrity. It's Gamma, guys. I'm a celeb. But guys, go ngathi kubulala umuntu. Ngathi kukho isacrifice eyenziwe endlela lokushushu ngayo. Just too much heat. Hey. Ziyafana. Bese ngayityen na. Uba. Mamsi. Guys, we're currently at the waterfront, just exploring. I have a headache, guys, because I ate too many ice blocks and now I have a brain freeze. So, ooh, what's this? Train drivers on extended lunch break. Okay. Hey, sabu engagement ring, man. Kanang chatin. Hey sweets, I'm back again. So now we are going to the viewpoint. The viewpoint, ne? You're gonna see is it the lake or ocean? I don't know. Yeah. Thank you, Beto. Oh my gosh, I hate this hair, guys. It keeps going into my eyes and it's so irritating. But anyway, smiling camera. So we're going to the next location. Then come on, it's and there's a little viewpoint, but guys, it's like, look at this. It is amazing. Well, it's hi man, when a man nonsense, guys. I love nature, but I'm terrified of insects and whatnot. Guys, look at this. Look at this. I am taking my time to appreciate what God created. This earth, and it looks amazing. Guys, I want a house. I want to show you a house, guys. It's like on the edge, it's on the cliff, guys, and I want my house there, guys. Imagine the views when you wake up in the morning, guys. Look at this. Guys, I'm sweating and yo, just went up a hill. Now we're getting ice cream. Anna, chocolate.
Strawberry.
I got strawberry. I hate vanilla ice cream.
Strawberry.
You got to taste. Can you taste?
Mama.
Mama, calling this one to taste.
Only strawberry, vanilla, okay, mix. Hey sweets, we are at the beach right now. Sorry for the wind, you guys. If
it's bothering you. Sorry, I'm going downstairs. We're at the beach at Neisner, so we're just gonna chill here. I'm not gonna swim. I never swim at the beach, guys. I'm only gonna take pictures, and then we're just gonna chill and have some family time. That's it, guys. I am so ready to take off my makeup, lashes, my hair, because the weather here is like too hot, guys. I'm not used to this weather. And I just heard that back home they have rain. It's raining. Sana, it's so rocky in here, guys. Eh? Ku rocky apa sana maje.
Okay, they're bad.
We're in Western Cape and the water is freezing hot. Guys, the water is so freezing. Like, oh, nyamazelo glamatz, guys, it's too cold. Hey sweets, I am back again and I look so crusty, guys. I'm so musty right now. Makeup is off. Like, if you want to pull my hand, I'm so shiny. Like, my skin is so oily. I'm ready to just wipe off and wash my face. And so yeah, we just got home now, and guys, I enjoyed today. Like, it was amazing. Today was so fun, guys. It's like I haven't been this happy for the longest time. Like, I have been happy, but this happy, like, it's so much, guys. And like, I appreciate everything. And I hope you liked this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope if you were just passing by, you do subscribe and become a sweetie. And yeah, like this video, share to your friends, make sure they share to their friends. And yeah, guys, I'll be posting more videos again. Like, I'm back. I'm fully back now, guys. I am fully back, no longer sick. I am going to be posting videos every Thursday, as you know. And also follow me on Instagram. I am esihle_tenge, and my business page is prodigy_trends. So make sure you follow me there, guys. Let's get to 1K, guys. Please help a girl out. And yeah, I love you so much, sweets. Enjoy your day. If you're watching this during the day, have a good night. If you're watching this at night, love you guys. And I remember, I'll always blow you a kiss every single time I close a video. Bye, sweets.